The reason Koreans have good skin is because they use the method of grinding potatoes and attaching the skin when the skin is rough and troubles occur. Potatoes help to manage skin intensively and quickly calm dead skin cells and blemishes. Number 1. Toner pad. Potato water 50%. Wipe with potato toner pad on troubled skin areas. Apply to quickly soothe the skin. Number 2. Mask pack. Potato water 70%. When there are troubles all over the face, attaching a potato mask pack helps to calm the skin. Number 3. Moisture cream. 70% potato water helps to maintain moisture and make skin soft. Even if you use it once and only once, your skin will remember it.